Hey friends, welcome to our channel. Today I want to share with y'all this beautiful look. It's mermaid waves, and summer is just here, and this is a beautiful look to rock this summer, and it's all on the air this summer. It's so trendy. I see the celebrities have been using just like from February. Since today, I see the beautiful Janet Guzman, King K, Kylie, Cardi B, all the celebrities, and I say, oh, I like it. I was something different. My skin's so glowy and mermaid waves is in the air, and I say I want to share this look with my beautiful DJ lovers. So here is the look. But first, if you are new here in this channel, hit the button here and subscribe. If you got some time here, continue watching. So let's begin to do all that. Hey guys, so here are my extensions, but at first I want to tell you, like, I flat ironed my hair yesterday, so it's just a preference for they look more like, more blonde or something. So that's gonna put my extensions. My extensions are really long. I think they are like 28 inches or 30, I don't know, because I'm gonna recreate a mermaid look, a really mermaid, because I have seen some celebrities using a really long, so I want to do just for this weekend and then go back to the normal long. So here I apply my heat protector that is so important when you're gonna work with flat iron or any kind of waves machine or crimper. So let's gonna divide our hair in sections and let's gonna begin. This is on my machine, on my crimper. The link is down below, so you can see in the description and the link where you can find. I find this in Amazon, my crimper, and the link as well for the product I'm using here. I'm gonna give more details like in the middle of the video about my core extension and heat protection. So let's see how it works. It was really good. You just have to set your hair there in the middle of these two tubes and wait, count like 10 seconds. I'm counting in my mouth. This is not born, it's just kinda heavy, sometimes get tired in my hand, but it's just that the curls look really pretty. What do you think? I think they is really cute and shiny, and I don't know, they look really cute. Let's gonna take another section of hair. If you wanna take, you want really thin, take less hair, but if you want chunky, like me, do like this. And so put again and count 10 seconds in your mouth, in your mind. This crimper, the maximum number get is 30, so I think you have to put in 30. Forget they say different numbers, but I think for you get good results you have to put like in 30, I think. So here is yes, they're really working good. Yes, perfect. Today is Friday night and here is like movie time. I was outside with some friends and I just came back home and I was like, oh, I'm gonna be busy this weekend. It's a super long weekend. It's Memorial Weekend and I'm gonna be busy. I need to do my hair, so I'm gonna record this video for my Gigi Lovelies. Say hey to my Gigi Lovelies. I'm gonna send special regards to all my Gigi Lovelies. I'm gonna say hey Jennifer, hello. Hey Kathy, hello. Hey Luisa, hello. All that faithful people that I got that always look and check my videos. I want to send it regard. All the ladies that watching my videos, say hey. So that video go for them and for all others that watch my video. And so here we are doing this chit chat video and watching movies with your girls. And remember when we were at college, in high school, when we girls do like those beach parties and doing hairs each other and talking about all beauty and all that, you remember? So here tonight we're gonna talk about beauty and beauty products and all about summer waves, because it's what is so trendy and fashion and be ready for this summer. So yes, and so I have a list of the trendy products or the best reviews of the products and my favorite list of the products, so you can find the perfect beachy wave that fit for your hair or fit for the kind of waves you are looking for, because sometimes you are looking for natural beaches look, or for the soft ones, or for the texturized ones. So we don't know. So let's see. The first product, the first product is the one I'm using here. I don't know, for some reason I forgot, or I was watching the movie or concentrate that I forgot to show it here, but I'm gonna be showing pictures down below so you know the products. So the first is Moroccan Oil Beach Wave Mousse, and you can find at Sephora, and the price is $28 USD, and it's got a review of 4.5 stars. It's the classic sea salt spray, and you know how we love summer, and this mousse not only gives you a beautiful waves, but also leaves your hair sleek and smooth. This is what I like, because I like smooth waves. I like my hair still move, have waves but move with the air and all that. So look how they looking. So beautiful, and they're gonna move. You're gonna see the end result. They're gonna be soft, guys. So the second product I'm gonna mention and I have been using, and the name is Not Your Mother's Baby Texturizing Sea Salt Spray, and you can find at Target, and it's super affordable. The price is for something, I don't remember, almost $5, and it had 4 stars, and they give you a look like an everyday beach day, like if you really live on the beach, and they give you natural waves, and daytime a little bit you freeze and gives you a little volume if you spray at the roots. So it's a really nice product. I recommend, especially if you are looking for a natural waves. When you dry your hair with the towel, you apply, and that's all. And all the products that I mentioned, and here I put it here in the picture. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description so you can find it. And the number 3 product, and the name is Oribe, or I don't know if it's Oribe, I don't know if I'm pronouncing good, is Oribe dry texturizing spray, and you can find at Nordstrom. You know, guys, how I love Nordstrom. And the price is $22. I have tried this and it's one of my favorites, let me tell you that. He have a review of 4.5 stars, and it's really incredible. Give the volume and touchable and texture, everything you need. And I love it. The most I love is because he lasts longer, and it has the same effect like a dry shampoo. So if you are like me that you don't wash your hair every day, or you have color hair, I don't have color hair, but if you have color hair or dye hair, this is the perfect product and the best option for you. And the last one product on my recommendation list for beachy waves, the name is Umberto Beverly Hills. You have heard about it because it's so famous. Umberto Beverly Hills. You can find it in Amazon, and the price is $23.99. It separates, good definition, touchable, volume, everything you hair need, and the best waves ever. So there's another that have 5 stars. There's another that have 5 stars, but this is like an everyday waves that you can use, and just a little bit give you the right amount you need for the texture you need. So it's so good, and you spray all over the roots and the ends, and that's all you need for every day. So it's so good. I really recommend it. So here down below all the information. Another thing that you can forget, apart of those beachy products that for me are the best now for this summer, at the time you go to vacation or to the beach and everything, don't forget to get you sun protection or UV protection for your hair. For your skin is important, and your hair as well. Tonight we're talking about hair care and all that. So for that I'm recommending the Bedhead Beach Balm Protection Spray. For color hair had to be more you have to be more careful. You need to care so much because they can break easily and all that. So this is a really good product, and you can find it in all time. And I'm gonna give the description. And Bumble and Bubble hairdressers invisible oil heal and UV protective primer. You can find in Sephora, had a good option as well. Yes, guys, here I'm dividing my hair, and I'm gonna do the first part on my forehead. I finished with my back part. Now I'm working here at the beginning. You know how you see that Moroccan oil gives you like all the volume, and I have make all my, it's because I like to make first my back part, all the back, because that give me more volume of the back. And when I gonna do my all the pack here, the part in my forehead, they're gonna look more like, get the illusion like more volume if you need. So let's see how it looks. I don't gonna put me too much waves at the beginning of my forehead, but at the end, yes. And I don't gonna really work hard here, just because maybe I gotta sleep and they gonna destroy something. But I gonna sleep with a waves cap. So at the morning I just do 3 minutes, and I just pass the same crimper and ready to go. They're gonna be Super beautiful. A little retouch. You see how it looks like in the 60 waves. They look shiny. So girls, and this is the final result. You see how it looks good, natural, shiny. This little part I think I gonna do tomorrow a little bit, like the endings, not the endings, like a little bit here. But really looks good. And you see the long, it's perfect mermaid. It's a perfect mermaid. So looks summer. I hope you have loved this video and enjoy and find all those products space for you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what more videos you want to do. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.